Well, hello everyone, welcome back guys. Hope you all are doing well. This is Mohammad Badrudduja and today we are going to solve lab number 5 from server-side template injection module. This is again a server-side vulnerability and it is in the category of injection vulnerabilities. So up to now we just saw that we weaponize the vulnerability, which is server-side template injection, and we execute the arbitrary codes and commands, but that's not only the way, because a lot of time there are blind vulnerabilities which you cannot easily get into it and you can not easily execute the arbitrary codes and commands. So at that instant, the vulnerability you can weaponize to extract the sensitive information. So today we are going to see another unique scenario with this server-side template injection vulnerability. So before going into it, this little disclaimer as always for you. This video and its contents are only for educational and awareness purpose, and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. That's been said, let's go and see what we have today. So server-side template injection with information disclosure via user supplied object. Very well. So this time we are not going to execute any arbitrary code and command. This time we are going to weaponize this vulnerability to information disclosure. So this lab is vulnerable to server-side template injection due to the way an object is being passed into the template. This vulnerability can be exploited to access sensitive data. Fine. To solve the lab, steal and submit the framework secret key, which is very sensitive. So if you get secret key, you do a lot of things, and maybe you have the full control on the application authorization aspect of the application, and you can authorize any user with that secret key, because how these secret keys used by the applications or frameworks, maybe with that secret key they are going to sign the tokens for the users to access the resources. So if you get this secret key, that means you can assign or you can sign any token you create with maybe the vague user, and that vague user even do not exist, but you can get the authorization on the resources. But we will see that in a minute. You can log into your own account using the following credentials, and the credentials are these. So let's go and we will start enumerating the application first. So Control C, copy that, and I'm directly go to the my account. Okay, username is content manager and the password is again content manager with some alphanumeric characters. Okay, so we are logged in, don't save, and I'm going back to home. Okay, so here if we go to this product or any of these product and scroll down, here you can see we have the edit template option. So if I click on this edit template option, we will see that okay, here I can edit the template. Okay, so we have these arguments where you can see product is the object, and we are defining here the property of this object. So product.stock, product.name, product.price. Okay, so if I try something, because here we are again blind because we don't know which template engine is used. So we can see here hurry only. So there is hurry only, and after that it is defined here that to mention product.stock, that how many number of particular product exist in the stock. So 673. Then left of product.name, and left of is this. Then after that up to here, this is the product name, and then there is product price. So this is your product price. That means these values coming from these arguments, right? So what we can do, let's try here something like I'm again same as lab number 4. I'm going to try this application to throw some error. So I'm going to, instead of price, just delete I and preview again. Let's see we have any error or not. We don't get any error, but we have only the stock and the product name. There is no product price. So I'm going to get it back, same like before. Fine. Now what I'm going to do to see the better result. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to try something else. Let's say hello, and then I'm going to try some random default testing template syntaxes like 3 into 3, something like this with $sign. And as you can see, whatever I write here, it's taking it as a string and just print it as the same. That means this is not working. So I'm going to try, let's say star. And again, star is not working. I'm going to try at the rate, preview again. Same. We are not getting the calculated value of 3 multiplied by 3. Instead, it's just printing it as hello. Okay. Let's try hash. Nope, not working. Let's try here, because here, as you can see, there are 2 curly braces. So I'm going to try it in curly braces. Okay, preview. And here we get what we need. So we make this application through error, and the error is saying it's using Python 2.7 and distribution package Django. Django template is used. So that means this application is built on Django framework, and the template is used as Django template. So if it's using Django template, so we are going to now access payloads, all the things. Actually, I should say SSTI. Okay, let's go browse that. And this is the Django template. So there are various payload, but as you can see here, this is for detection and this is for post exploitation. And this is for cross-site scripting, but we are looking for information leak, this one, and we are looking for secret key. So there is separate section for secret key. Let's try this one. Copy that and back here, back, and instead of this, let's try that. Paste it and preview. So once we preview, it does not give us any secret key. This is for URL leak and this is for credential hash leak. Let's go and see the debug, and we will see what information this debug leak. So come here, and instead of that, I'm going to say debug and preview. Wonderful. So this debug is leaking some information. Here, as you can see, after hello, we have, this is the output of debug. First thing is we got the product, which is object, and these are the properties of this product. The second thing is settings, and inside settings, lazy setting none, false false, none none, true true. Then it's go for the cookie. Okay, HTML parser. Fine. Let's try here settings. So let's say settings. Let's see if there is any setting or something. Okay, I'm going to add here curly braces. So now preview it. Okay, that gives us some result. So this is the HTML encoded form of less than, and this is the HTML encoded form of greater than sign. and rest of this value comes from this settings. It's saying user settings holder. I'm going to access Django template documentation. Okay, the first link. I want to see what's inside this setting. So in the template language, there are syntaxes, variable stack, filters, comments, engine template. This is inside the section of components and configuration. Okay, here I'm going to try to search settings, and here we found setting API reference. So click on that, and inside setting there are few sections like core settings, authentication, or maybe this one authorization. We will see that. Message, sessions, site, static files, and here also you can see there is setting, and inside setting there are bunch of subsection of it. So core settings, inside core settings, all these are the sections. Databases, serialized template, there is debug, fine, and there is secret key. So if you scroll down here inside setting, within the setting you will find secret key. So it's inside settings, and as you can see, a secret key for a particular Django installation, this is used to provide cryptographic signing and should be set to a unique unpredictable value. Okay, because it is going to sign. Sign what? Okay. So secret key, protecting secret key. We are not going to protect the secret key. It's already protected perhaps, but we just need to extract the secret key. Let's see. Again, we are on the same page. These are other options. Let's try this one. Instead of settings, let's just try secret underscore key. Let's see. Okay, it's not showing anything. It is the subsection of setting, so I'm going to try it with the settings dot secret key. So maybe it works like inside settings what secret key is defined. So preview, and yeah, that works, and we found the secret key. So if I copy this, Control C, submit solution, and paste it here, click OK, we solve the lab. So that's it for this video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Bye.